guys. It landed perfectly in my hands and I cannot wait to share with you guys what is inside this box. If you know, you know, because this box is a big giveaway. So without further ado, thanks for coming on the journey with me, and now it's time to unbox this orange box. This is the Chanel store that I've been giving you guys kind of updates on. It looks like they're about to finish. I mean, still no cover on top, but almost finished, I guess. And we're gonna walk over, and there's my baby, my best companion. All right, you guys, you know I never really do videos, but I figured to take you guys on my Hermès journey, and this is 2022, my new journey in this new year. Cartier next to me, so we are going to go in because I got a call and my essay says there's some exciting things that came in for me, so cannot wait to show you guys. Let's go in and see if you could guess what's in there for me. And I took my Callie with me today for the first time since we took her home, and I haven't really had time to use it. These are the most comfortable mules ever. Glad I went for a one size bigger because I was pregnant when I got these. And yeah, we're about to walk in and see. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on the channel. Vivian here. 2022 has started. I can't believe it's March already, and for the first 3 months I picked up one 2424 mini as I have unboxed on the channel, so going to leave the link over here if you haven't watched it. And also I have a full Hermès playlist created for you guys in case if you want to watch any videos that's created on Hermès, whether it be unboxing or in-depth reviews. I definitely take my time whenever I'm exploring the brand, and I have been pretty transparent with you guys, unlike some of the other videos that I watch on YouTube where I just feel like a story is told but there's nothing that backs up the story, and I try my best to include all of the details and, you know, the parts that I documented with you guys to share my transparent age journey. So 2022 is the second official year that I've been on with Hermès, and I was incredibly thankful to my essay for the first year because I received my first Birkin 25 offer in a super beautiful color combination, which is gray and rose gold. And as my second quota bag, thanks to my lovely husband who arranged with our salesperson again that they came up and decided to give me a rose sakura in the mini Callie 2, and I was just incredibly thankful for it because I know bags like this don't come by very often, and I shared the full detail and the footage with you guys when I went to go pick up the bag in the unboxing video. So if you haven't watched it yet, make sure you click here or in the description box, or check out the Hermès playlist if you are free and want to watch more than one Hermès videos on the channel. There are plenty out there for you to view. We're going to unbox one out of the 2 bags that I collected from this appointment, and the box is already pretty telling as to what it is. So without further ado, let's open her up and review the color and see if you guessed it right. So what do you guys think? Honestly, if I don't tell you the color of this Picotin, wouldn't you think this is the size 18 in the etoupe? This is such a beautiful beigey gray color. It's a kind of on the warmer tone in person. Maybe the camera, the color could come off a little bit differently. But definitely this is so beautiful. And I know for some of you who love a etoupe picotin style, I previously did a review on my friend's picotin in the etoupe. I believe the color of the stitching is different than this one. I've got the receipt with me right here, and I'm going to give you guys all the details on this bag because you guys know all of the luxury maisons have a pretty standard price increase again in the beginning of the year. I hope Hermès doesn't go too crazy, because if it's heading where Chanel is headed, then definitely it's going to lose a lot of clients. This is a great entry bag to purchase as it's very easy to use and it's offered in a range of colors. For a lot of us who love neutral colors, the range is really wide in this bag, and this is not a quota bag, so it is something that you can definitely talk to your SA about and see if they can request it for you. Besides all of the neutral colors, other seasonal colors are just beautiful. There's no ugly color in the Hermès universe. All of the colors are beautiful and they honestly just do the color so beautifully. And so the color of this Picotin 18 is called Beige de Weimar. I'm going to put all of the information over here for you guys, and the current price for the Picotin Lock 18 is $2,950 US plus tax. So I paid nearly $3,300 for where I live. This is in the beautiful Togo leather. Look at the texture of it. It is sturdy, and on the inside of the bag it's lined with the same color. It honestly reminds me of the dog, which Weimar is a type of dog. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing this correctly, but I'm trying. This is just a beautiful neutral brownish tone, and I think size 18 is literally perfect. It doesn't cinch in as much as I felt like with the Picotin 26. Obviously that is bigger. 18 is the size of the width of the bag, and this is with the palladium hardware. I think this is one of the most beautiful color combinations. A very neutral toned gray paired with palladium hardware. And this, at least for now, appears to be very structured. And I think if you want to continue maintain the shape of this, it's nice to put stuffing, or if you have the pillows that's made for this bag, in there when you store it, and it'll just keep the shape up really, really well. I love how this is just so casual and you can just put it on your wrist and off it goes. I did kind of dig in a little bit deeper when I first did the Picotin review, because I went into Hermès and I did my research as to what is the inspiration of this bag, because honestly, if it's not Hermès Picotin, what does the shape of this bag remind you of? To me, I honestly think it looks like a bucket of something. And the history of this bag is that this Picotin is inspired by the horse feeding bag, and it honestly is so brilliant because Hermès somehow always manages to tie their leather pieces and their special pieces, or maybe a little bit of their everything, back to their equestrian heritage, and this did just that. The size 18 is definitely one of the newer sizes, and I personally think this is plenty of space for me, but I know for some of you guys, you wanted a bigger catch-all bag. Maybe the next size would work better, but I think 18 is honestly, for me who love mini bags, this is like a perfect size. Voila, this is the unboxing of my second leather bag in 2022. The very first one is another very pretty gold piece. If you haven't watched it yet, I'll make sure I leave the link over here, and in the next video I'm obviously going to be sharing with you what is in the other box of a leather bag. I was so in love with it. Honestly, just holding this makes me really happy. Let me know in the comment section below if Picotin is one of your favorite bags from Hermes, as I've also recommended this bag in the video best Hermes items to buy under $5,000. So if you got time, you want to watch more Hermes videos on the channel, make sure you check the Hermes playlist, because in there I have included pretty much all of the videos I've created around the brand Hermes, and you can see a lot of unboxing and witness all of the special moments with me on my Hermes journey. So nice to meet you from Picotin 18, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Take care guys, bye.
It's time.